Okay, so here's a video to show you how to add a episode as an assignment and send it to a student. When you're in Teacher Dashboard, you're going to want to go to Resource Manager. And then you'll see this custom lesson screen. So I'm just going to drop that down. I'm going to right click and do New Lesson. And I'm going to just name it Okay, so now that is down here in my custom lessons. To add an episode, I have to search for whatever episode I want to add. I'm just going to add a random one. And I'm going to drag it and drop it into this lesson here that I created. Now, to make it an assignment, I have to right click on the lesson and create assignment from. I'm just going to name it the same thing, Distance Learning 2020. So you see here it has this A on it. That symbolizes that it's now an assignment. Now to assign it to a student, I have to go to Teacher Admin, then Assignments, and you'll see now this assignment here is in my assignments that I can give. So at that point, I can just click this class. I can click this, and I can click Give Assignment. I don't want to give it to all students. Like you said, you just want to give it to one, so I can scroll through my classes, pick the one student I want to give it to, click OK, and submit it to them. I hope this helps you submit a video to a student.